Okay, so welcome to Mathstoria, and let's have this topic. So finding the sum and the product of the roots of a quadratic equations. And these are the formulas to find the sum of the roots and the product of the roots. Then for this given, so first we need to check if the given is in standard form. And the standard form of a quadratic equations. So we have ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Then since this given is in standard form, then find the values of a, b, and c. So from this given, a, that's equal to 1 because there is an imaginary 1 for x squared. Then b, so b is positive 4, and c is positive 3. Then to find out the sum of the roots, so from this formula, so we have this negative b, so negative b, that's negative 4, then over a is 1, so negative 4 divided by 1, that's negative 4. So the sum of the roots is negative 4. Then for the product of the roots, so from this formula, so we have c is positive 3 over a is 1. Then positive 3 divided by 1, that's positive 3. So positive 3 is the product of the roots. Then for this given, so again, we need to rewrite this equation first in a standard form. So we have 6x squared plus 12x. Then transpose this positive 18 to the left side. So this becomes negative 18, then equals 0. Then find out the values of a, b, and c. So a, that's positive 6, b, positive 12, and c, negative 18. Then to solve for the sum of the roots, so we have this negative b, so negative b is negative 12 over a is 6, then this negative 12 divided by 6, this one is negative 2. And for the product of the roots, so from this formula, so we have c over a, c is negative 18, and a is 6. So negative 18 divided by 6, that's negative 3. So these are the sum and the product of the roots. Then for this given, so we need to rewrite this one first in a standard form. So we have 8x squared. So transpose this positive 6x becomes negative 6x, and transpose this positive 9 becomes negative 9, then equals 0. Then to find the values of a, b, and c, so a is positive 8, b is negative 6, and c is negative 9. And to find the sum of the roots, so we have this negative b, so negative b, so b is negative 6, then over a is 8, then this negative times negative, this one is positive, then over 8, and 6 over 8, so reduce. So these numbers are divisible by 2. So 6 divided by 2, this one is 3, then over 8 divided by 2, that's 4. So the sum of the roots is 3 over 4. Then for the product of the roots, so we have this c over a, so c is negative 9. and a is positive 8, so the product of the roots is negative 9 over 8. And for this given, so to write this one in a standard form, so we have 2x squared minus 3x, so we just need to add 0 for c, then equals 0. So to find out the values of a, b, and c, so a is positive 2, b is negative 3, and c is 0. And for the sum of the roots, so we have this negative b over a, so negative b is negative 3, then over a, then negative times negative, this one is positive 3, then over 2. So the sum of the roots is 3 over 2. And for the product of the roots, so we have c over a, and c is 0, a is 2, so 0 divided by 2, this one is 0. So the product of the roots is 0. So this is how to find the sum and the product of the roots of a quadratic equation.